Hi everyone, this is Sultan again with Rex Theme, and in this video I'll show you how you can include a home button to your virtual tour. By home button what I mean is that let's say you have a virtual tour with a lot of scenes. Now when a person is browsing through all the scenes, he might get confused about which was the initial scene, or if he wants to get back to the first scene, which is the default scene, it might get confusing. So what you can do is you can include a little home button on your tour so that a person can click on it and directly go back to the first scene. Alright, so let's get started. As you can see, I'm editing this virtual tour and I'm on the general settings. Here on the top, go to the control buttons. Here you'll be getting the options to add custom navigation buttons. So you'll see there's an option that says home. So what you can do is you can turn this one on and it will add a small home icon. Now to show this to you, I have to publish this tour. As I've said several times before, when you use custom buttons or any custom icons, it is not visible at the back end. You have to publish the tour, embed it on a page, and then you can see how it looks like. So for this one, let me just update the tour, and once it's updated, let me go to a new page and embed it using a Gutenberg block. So this is called demo, the ID is 517, so which is basically the first tour. I'll just select it and preview, and you can see there's a home button right in top. So now let's go to a second scene, and if I click on home button, it's gonna take me to the first scene. So no matter how many scenes you have, if someone clicks on the home button, it's gonna take him back to the scene which you set as default. Alright, so now you can also customize the color of this or use a different icon for the home button. Basically on your WPVR, if you go to control buttons, if you click on this will let you choose icons from the font awesome icons we provide. So you can select any icon from here to indicate as the home if you want to, and if you click here you can select the color of the home button if you want to. Let me just change the color, and let me also just change the icon. Let's say this one. All right, so let me update the tour, and once the tour is updated, let me go to the page where I embedded it and preview, and you can see that the home button has the icon that I selected and the color that I assigned it. All right, when you click on this, it will take you to the home page or the default scene. All right, now I'll point out one thing is that you see you have turned on show controls, but whenever you enable anything from the control buttons tab, this show control will by default be turned off in the tour. As a result, you didn't see these options in that tour. All right, and another thing I'll just point out again, even if I showed it before, when you go to a scene, this is where you set a scene as default. So whichever scene you set as default, that is taken as the first scene, and the home button will take the person to that scene when he clicks on it. All right, so that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. I'll see you again in a future video. Take care.